Right guys, just made it to the bushcraft camp. I'm going to do a cheeky solo one night on my own. Was is the understatement. Well, that is shit. There's not a million things that would never come down on its own. One thing, the whole fucking tab's missing apart from this little piece here. Yeah. Okay. Well, me being me, like, you know, came to do my first solo night. I haven't got my tripod at the back yet, so sorry you still have my hand. Came to do my first solo tonight in the camp, as you've seen. It's wrecked. I think I know who've done it. I don't know for some one reason, but I won't get it onto here. But I said, I think I know who've done it once I found out it was true. They haven't seen the new part of the side of me that they don't like. So it's not just some kids come across it and wrecked it for spite. Right now, I think I knew who's done it. Yeah, so as you can see, I've got that side semi back up. This side's totally open. Didn't, because I was coming to camp, I thought, oh, I won't bring my tap, don't need my tap. They've got my bed ready moved for me. So I had to pop and run to Mr. Wonders. He bought me his tap. Said, I'm not even sure I'm going to spend the night here. His bed's been drooped down, it's not even as comfortable as it used to be. That, as soon as you lie in your bed, that's just touching your head, so it's not the nicest. So we were gonna change camp up anyway this in the winter. We're gonna get rid of this side here. We're gonna keep it, but make it a bit bigger out, and we're gonna have like a little table and stuff out in there. Just because when we're preparing food, and if we ever do have anybody over, they can just always bunk on the floor here. So yeah, we're gonna extend this one out further, a lot further. Benches and stuff. So it's not, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it tonight. I'll stay for as long as I feel like. But once it comes to the point that, you know, you just don't feel this, no point being here, you can enjoy it. This has put a fucking damper on it, I tell you. Massive damper for come to camp, do a solo in my camp. So I thought I might stay here, you know, I don't know, I haven't decided. Just little things that are not going to make it as comfy tonight as it should have been. I was even whatever it's called, bring my little girl tonight. She was going to sleep here with me. I'm so glad I didn't. So glad. Said I'm soaking now because it's been in the rain trying to do this. And the person that did it will be watching this video and they'll probably be laughing. But I'll make sure I have the last laugh. And it's raining. And it's raining. Let me put this bag under that. It's only been a couple of minutes since I spoke to you last, but I'm feeling a bit more better about sitting here tonight. Got a few more repairs to do. Like I said, it's a downer in it, but we're going to make it better anyway. And obviously if I find the person I think has done it, hopefully they won't want to come back again. Fingers crossed, eh? Yeah, but apart from that, you know what I mean, it was only a few. Somebody just come run the back, ripped all the tap off, kicked the two main centre poles in, and it's just gone off. You've seen the video there, you've seen the clips at the front of that. So yeah, this is my first solo, so everybody knows that the first solo's never. I don't think it's the best experience, I don't know because I haven't done mine yet. Hopefully tonight's going to be the night. But this is put a massive down on it. It's raining. Got a few gizmos. I'm happy, like, downloaded a few things to watch tonight. Happy Gilmore, I'm going to be seeing that. Cracking film. And anybody watching Fear the Walking Dead? Yeah, let me know. I'm just gone to season 4 now. Season 4, episode 3. Got a couple more to catch up to get up to date. Yeah, I'm off now, so I'm going to get a bit of work done. I'll bring you back. be honest, I can't even remember how. Hello. I can't even remember where half of these sticks and that came from. Poles, and it's been a while since I've been here last. So, but it hasn't been happened too long, because we have been coming up checking on it. When did I come up last? So when we did the wild camp up in Llangollen and popped up here to get the grill, it was perfect order. Mr. Wonder's been popping up, it's been good. Tidy up time, don't it? Right, well, storm's struggling to focus now. I've done everything I can do to the camp tonight. Just looked in my bag, forgot my head torch, forgot my hand torch. So, everything's just telling me to fuck off home. But I want to prove it to myself I can do it. Yeah, I mean, if I can do it tonight, it's hard conditions. Hard. You know what I mean? I can do it tonight in these conditions and the way I'm feeling, then I can do it any night, can I? I got my phone. I think it's going to set my sleeping bag up. Is only. I'm out of focus again on there. Hold it a bit better. I'm going to get my sleeping bag out. I'm going to set a pillow nice up. Got a few munchies. I might make myself a cup of tea. I might make it feel better. Got a few beers, but not celebrating mood tonight, is it? I try and speak a bit loud as well, so I'm going to whisper for some reason. Yeah, so I've got no torches, only got my phone to rely on tonight. So I'm a bit wet as well. I need to set my sleeping bag up. Bring the Arctic bag tonight. So a bit of comfort to me. There was nothing wrong with that sleeping bag I had last time, that summer one. Temperatures have dropped down a bit. This is the last time I can do a camp now for 2-3 weekends. Doing nights next week in work, and then the week after that I'm away on holiday, taking the family on holiday. Yeah, so waffling with it. They set my bed up, I think. I'm just gonna lie here. Brew first, actually. I'll make a brew, then I'll get in bed now. Right, keeps like showing you the thing, clip of me sitting here like a lazy cunt. So I ain't doing much. I'll show you now. I'll brew one. Good brew one. New style mug. Picked it up cheap. I forgot a little wax case for it to go in. Forgot that. So we were meant to be preparing to go up to Newcastle this weekend to that North message, but some things came up, and yeah, so brings me here to a solo. So I'll try and get out as much as I can. I've not been out for another couple of weeks now. Hope you lads have a good time in the meet-up in Newcastle. Oh, brilliant. I know it's going to be probably an epic weekend up there, but I'll still try and join you for a beer, just not in person. But I'll be a bit later on, get a few munchies, got some porridge in the morning. Can't be that bad, can it? Said, hopefully you should get another meet. Fingers crossed, you know. Third time lucky I can come to it. Yeah. They said all things palm out the way they do, don't they? My partner was a bit worried when we went up to Newcastle, and we're just about due another baby. So she doesn't like to be left alone when she's ready to pop soon. Ready to pop the way I put it in. Good job she's not listening. Losing focus like mad here, sorry. Yeah, like I said, gonna have this brew. Probably set up my bed in. Lose focus again. I think it's gonna help the colour of the tap and that behind me. Like I said, the light's dropping now. Probably got another about 40 minutes. Visible light. Just want to get everything sorted, have a brew, get the bedding done. Just lie there and chill. It's about to do my first solo. Nothing fancy, just me. So it won't be a long video. I'll probably edit most of this out as well, to be honest. Nice short video. Don't do many short ones lately, I don't think. Don't do many videos lately. Say winter, I don't know why winter seems to be the most time everybody makes videos. Summer everybody's just actually doing videos, isn't they? I know it was Hayes Outdoor. Went for a camp with T Outdoors, didn't like that. Like, Hayes, you better out for bloody Joey, like. You know, I'm not a fan of that T Outdoors, innit? Stuck up a little cunt, isn't he? Yeah, we ranted again. Right guys, just listening to the new radio. There you go, the light's not picking it up at all. It's a Roberts Sports Stab radio. They say it comes like 100 different channels and stuff like that. DAB digital radio. It says, but it's a bit of a nice bit of kit. Nice little bit of money, but. And I'm thinking, like focusing. Thinking about focusing. See, I do get to my 200 subs. I'll give one of these away. Yeah, nice bit of kit. They come with headphones, so you can listen to the radio for your headphones. You don't want to be blaring the music out in the woods. Yeah, chargers, everything like that. Built-in battery, but you're always charging this shit. I reckon it'll last for a while. That's not broken, don't worry. Yeah, that's where your area goes. Get your headphone port there. On, off, up, down, volume up and down. Tuning, that's where your charger goes. Yeah, light, really light. Shame it's not here though, innit? Rain. My focus is shit. Sorry. That's a bit better for a minute, innit? Maybe there for a minute. Yeah, so I make a brew. Just have made my pillow there. Airbed blown up. Blanket, sleeping bag there, ready to go up or down. Yeah, see if it'll focus any better now. Nope, still shit. Pigeons everywhere, no gun. And here comes the rain. Set it waffle again now. Bring it back. Soon. Right guys, well, just in my bed now, but I've had to have the camera straight bright. Yeah, just in my bed now. Off to sleep. I don't know if you can see me now, but that's it for tonight. See you in the morning. Hi, good morning. Well, you can see it fucking pissed out all night. Just gonna go sleep straight after I spoke to you last. Actually, decided to make a lot of fire. I did have one beer. Only one though. Oh, fucking pee, like, fuck. Yeah, it's like one thing, and after they got to rip this camp down, I think, and restart it. So I can rebuild it in the same shape, but this is just fucked up. Before when I made my bed, it was a lot further back, and now it's just literally fucking touching my head. Nothing about that anyway, so brew on. Nice cup of coffee. And for breakfast we're having golden syrup. One thing I'm going to have to do when I get home is literally top my tinder kettle. I burnt about 7 of my wax balls, 3 sticks of homemade fat wood, a lot of stuff I burnt last night. just getting it going, I couldn't be asked. So I literally burnt till then, started putting big sticks on the wood. Excuse me. Yeah, good night. We're having these brew, the porridge, and then I'm gonna be packing up and making my way home. Get home to the family. I said this radio, it was on since, we'll say 8 o'clock last night, and I forgot about it and I turned it off 4 o'clock this morning. And that's it right there. Still got 2 bars of battery up there, so it's not bad. 8 o'clock at night till 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it's pretty good. So if I get to 200, I'll probably give one of them away. Boiling in a minute. Right guys, well, just slowly packing up now. Drinking my brew. Yeah, we'll drop this tarp off for Wayne. I think I'm gonna, I'll take all the plastic sheeting off. The one that you can see. Take all that off. Rip all that down. Put that in a bin bag. Collect that next time I'm here. And then I'm gonna have to arrange a day after I get back from holiday. That's what you mean. Arrange a day when I get back from holiday and I have to come and rebuild it. If I have a solid day on it, I think I should get it done. Like I said, this idea is changing already. It's going to be like a area you put your bags, logs, it's going to be a table and that in there. Your room for a bed on the floor. Had a new sleeping airbed. So there's one thing I go through a lot of kits is airbeds. Oh, I gotta repair my first one. I like that one. Get time to repair that one. This one I just got now, it's shit. Let's go straight in the bin when I get home. Yeah, apart from that, it wasn't a bad night. Enjoyed my film, Happy Gilmore. Promised rain again today, I think, all day. It's still raining now, but not that bad. Yes, obviously you've seen camp before, have you? It's my bed there, I need sorting out as well, it's gone a bit droopy. Mr. Wonder's bed is major, you fucked. There's all the slats missing. Yeah, so it's going to be needed a good tidy up, a minute, a good rebuild. It'll be a good video to make when I get this fucking thing level. My video's playing in the background, so I'll probably get done for copyright now. Right guys, I'm done with this camp. This is how I'm leaving it. I know it looks a bit of a mess at the moment. That was where my bed is, you can see. I used to keep loads of kit down the side of there. That's how much has come in. It was just a quick job last night just to spend the night here. And drop Mr. Wonder's tarp off for him. So it's a bit depressing, isn't it? But you all know it's probably happened to one of you before. It's pretty shitty. But the person that probably did it is watching this video and they'll come back up and wreck it again. But back up in a couple of weeks and I'll get it sorted. Always bigger and better, innit? It's nice to make a rebuild anyway. I mean, it's just been the same camp for a while now. So, add a few bits and bobs, make the beds a bit bigger. I'm sure Mr. Wonder one stays a bit higher. Mine's gonna get redone as well. Different shapes, stuff like that. Fire pit needs a new fire pit. Yeah, apart from that, it's been a good camp. I know I haven't recorded much, but I said not much I could have done last night. I enjoyed it anyway. Probably see you next time now.